I describe some paragraphs. At first, I describe the paragraphs of crow. Crow, it is a black color bird and a clever and sweeper bird. It cleans up our society. It has 2 legs and 2 black color wings. It has found all the corners of the world. It has a sharp beak. As a result, it is very easily to eat hard food. Crow is a sweeper bird. Mango. Mango is a tasty food and it is the king of the fruits. Its colors red or yellow. Mango gives us nutritious materials and vitamin A and C and minerals. It tastes sweet and it is very tasty and sweet fruit. We have get all the corner of market. It occurs in summer season and we have get varieties kinds of mangoes. Butterfly. Butterfly has 4 colorful wings and 6 legs. It burns out of the eggs and it is taste their food by legs. It flutters on the floor. Parrot. Parrot feathers colors green and it has a curved beak and circle on the neck. It eats. The parrot eats fruits and seeds and it has 2 legs. Peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. It has 2 legs and various colors, violet, blue or green, and a crown of its head. It is so nice when we look the dance of the parrots, of the peacocks. We look the dance of the peacock. The cow. The cow is a domestical animal. We take the cow and feeding the cows and the cow live in the cow shed. The cow gives us milk. We use it varieties milk products and the cow gives us cow dung. It uses fuel cakes. We have get the cows in the corner of India. The cow colors are white or brown. Cow baby name calf. Honeybee. Honeybee is a clever insect. It burns out of the eggs and it makes honey and live in the beehive. The queens of the honeybee has exhibits the capacities of the leadership of them. They are very diligent insects and they all busy to make honey. Give me subscribes.